Good morning, children. How are you all? All fine? Happy in house? Studying proper? Doing homework? Good. Student, when you are free, read proper, okay? Do proper pronunciation. 2-3 times see the video, okay? Last classes I taught you छोटा ऊ की मात्रा and little I taught you बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा, okay? ऊ and ऊ की मात्रा. ऊ की मात्रा how we are putting? ऊ छोटा ऊ and बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा we are putting down of the letter in the leg, okay? When round will go left hand side top, when round will go left hand side top, that will be छोटा ऊ की मात्रा. That same round when right hand side it will come down, that will be बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा. छोटा ऊ की मात्रा pronunciation, when we are pronouncing we are saying very fast like ku gu lu. बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा pronunciation will be little far like सूरज, हाँ, बालू, राजू. So ऊ की मात्रा we are saying little long, okay? छोटा ऊ की मात्रा we have to say fast, बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा we have to say little long, okay? So here in your page number 56 we are having some word meaning. Listen carefully and with me you also do pronunciation, okay? ब पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा बूट, बूट. बूट means shoe, shoes, shoes. Boot means shoes. Second one भा, भ पे आ की मात्रा भा, ल पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा लू, भालू. भालू means bear, 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 okay? भालू, भालू means bear. म या पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा यू and र, मयूर. मयूर means peacock, peacock. मयूर means peacock. ख ज पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा जू and र, खजूर. खजूर means dates, खजूर means dates, dates, dates. ऊपर, ऊपर, ऊपर. ऊपर means above, above, above. Above means ऊपर. झाड़ू, झाड़ू. झाड़ू means broom, broom, broom. Broom means झाड़ू. ध पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा धू, र पे आ की मात्रा रा, अधूरा. अधूरा means half. Anything when you are doing half na, that is अधूरा. स पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा सू, र ज, सूरज. सूरज means sun, सूरज means sun, sun, sun. ध पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा धू and ल, धूल. धूल means dust, dust, dust. बा त पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा तू, न पे बड़ी की मात्रा नी. See here 3 मात्रा is there. ब पे आ की मात्रा, त पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा and न पे बड़ी ई की मात्रा. बा तू नी, बातूनी. बातूनी means talkative. बातूनी means talkative, who is talking too much, okay? That is बातूनी. तू त पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा तू, फ पे आ की मात्रा फा and न, तूफान. तूफान means storm, storm, storm. Storm means तूफान. त र ब पे बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा बू and ज, तरबूज. तरबूज means watermelon. तरबूज means watermelon, water, water, melon, melon. Watermelon means तरबूज. तरबूज ने you know ना, that is same thing. Watermelon, तरबूज and तरबूजनी. Now we'll go to next page, page number 57. Here what we have to do? ऊ की मात्रा लगाकर नए शब्द बनाइए. ऊ की मात्रा लगाकर नए शब्द बनाइए. What they are saying, see here, some words are there where red color letter is there, na? Some red color is there, some black color. So on red color, first you have to put bada u ki matra. This u ki matra, okay, in bracket u ki matra is there. That you have to put. After that, same thing you have to copy here. That is very easy, okay. So see, bada u ki matra all everywhere I have put. Same thing you have to copy. First one, see, ka ka pe a ki matra ka, and ja is there, na? And ja, bada u ki matra they have put here, so it's become kaju. So on ja letter bada u ki matra you have to put and you have to copy here. Same thing, sir. Jha, and jha pe bada u ki matra I have put. Jhula, jhula. Same thing you have to copy here, okay. Bhalu, you have to copy this empty place, okay. So same thing, bada u ki matra already have put, you have to copy. Now we will come down. On blue color something is written there, you can see. Some mixing is there. Here some chota u ki matra word is there and some bada u ki matra word is there. Now what we have to do, see here, in ka it's written there chota u ki matra, kha it's written there bada u ki matra. So what we have to do, in this blue, na, we have to search which letter chota u ki matra is there and which letter bada u ki matra is there, okay. Two type of word is there, so we have to segregate, we have to separate, we have to write separate. How many chota u ki matra is there? In this chota u ki matra we have to write, and how many bada u ki matra in this? In this kha one bada u ki matra we have to write, okay. I have already write here, just you have to copy, okay. See here, sa pe chota u ki matra su and na. I told na, chota u ki matra will be down we are putting, and one small round when left hand side it will go on top, that will be chota u ki matra. Now see, bhook, here you can see that round right hand side coming down means that is bada u ki matra. So like this you have to chota u ki matra in chota u ki matra and bada u ki matra in bada u ki matra place you have to write. Already I have read for you, you just copy. But when you are copying, when you are writing, pronounce yourself and write. Now children, we will go page number 58, okay. Page number 58. Here what's written there, नीचे दिए वाक्यों में लाल रंग वाले अक्षर के नीचे ऊ तथा बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा लगाकर वाक्य पूरे कीजिए. Complete the following sentences by adding छोटा ऊ और बड़ा ऊ मात्रा to the word given in red. Here 4 sentences there. Maximum letter is written on black color and some is written in red color. So red color letter we have to put u ki matra. Then we should know which letter u ki matra will come and which letter bada u ki matra will come. For that what you have to do? You have to do pronunciation, okay. And last pages we have read also, all letters they have repeated, okay. It is there, so we should know how to pronounce. Here see, I have done for you. Same thing you have to write in your book, okay. Same thing you have to write in your book. First one is there pa and la. What letter is missing? Matra. Pull. Pull means bridge. You can see here picture also, pull means bridge. So here bada u ki matra will not come, chota u ki matra will come, okay. Chota u ki matra pull. So we are putting here pull. Pull par mat mat ja pe a ki matra ja. Pull par mat ja, don't go on bridge. Kaju, ja pe bada u ki matra kaju. Kaju means cashew. Kaju means cashew. काजू, काजू उठा कर रख. Kaju means cashew. Kaju means cashew. Pick up the kaju and keep it. Pick up the cashew and keep it. गड़, गुड़, छोटा उ की मात्रा will come. गुड़ मत खा. Don't eat eat jaggery. Good means jaggery. So don't eat jaggery. कूली इधर आ. कूली बड़ा ओ की मात्रा will come. Coolie means who is picking the luggage. Okay, when you will go on train, railway station, red color cloth they are putting, the red color shirt, they are coolie. They will help you to pick up your luggage. So coolie idhar aa. Coolie come here. Football, we are not saying football, we are saying football, means chota o ki matra. So here on for we have put chota o ki matra. Football udhar rakh. Football, keep it there. Udhar means there. Idhar means here. Okay. कूली रघु का सामान उधर रख. Again कूली has come, so क पे बड़ा उ की मात्रा. We are not saying रघु, we are calling रघु, means fast we are saying. So घ पे छोटा उ की मात्रा will come. कूली बड़ा उ की मात्रा will come. So first one बड़ा उ की मात्रा, second one छोटा उ की मात्रा. कूली रघु का सामान उधर रख. कूली रघु goods, रघु luggage, keep it there. Same page down children. What you have to do? You have to do writing practice. Write neat and clean. And when you are writing, first you read, pronounce proper, then write. Okay, see where matra is putting, how many lines in writing it's coming. Okay, in big line only maximum Hindi letter will come. Okay, small line is there for putting matra. So same, first trace the letters and after that second line copy the same thing. Okay, now we will go for next matra. Ri ki matra. Ri se rishi. In Barakhadi ri letter is coming na. That today we will read. Ri ki matra. Okay. So shall we start children? Ri ki matra. Ri se rishi. What is that? Ri se rishi. And rishi matra is very easy. Any letter in Hindi, any letter on the leg or down. If you see anything like a C letter, okay, if you see anything like a C letter, something is there, that is called, that will be your Ri ki matra, and that letter pronunciation will be Ri. Like if ka letter down Ri ki matra is there, that letter pronunciation will be Kri. If ma letter Ri ki matra, Mri. Ga letter Ri ki matra, Gri. So on which letter Ri ki matra will be there? That letter pronunciation will be Kri, Gri, Mri, Sri, Ri. Like this we have to pronounce. So some letter I have written for you on the board. We will see how to pronounce and how to put. Okay. So shall we start children? This is your Ri letter and this is your Ri symbol. Okay. That is a Ri symbol like a C letter. Now Ma. What is this? Ma. Ma, this is your Ri ki matra and Ga. Mrig. Ma ma pe Ri ki matra Mri and Ga. Mrig. Mrig means deer. Mrig means deer. So see here. Ma is there, Ri ki matra is there, Ga is there. And Ma, down part like a C letter something is there. So it's become Ma ma pe Ri ki matra Mri and Ga. Mrig. Mrig means deer. All you know deer animal, so mrig means deer. Second, va Ri ki matra and Kshatriya cha. Va Ri ki matra Kshatriya cha. It's become va pe Ri ki matra Vri and cha Vrich. Vrich means tree. Tree, tree. Na Ri ki matra and pa Nrip. Nrip means king. Nrip means king. So see here, and now letter Ri ki matra has come, so it's become Nri and Pa. Nrip. Nrip means king. Ga Ri ki matra Ha. It's become Ga pe Ri ki matra Gri Ha. Grih. Grih means house. Grih means house. House. Gha Ri ki matra and Ta. Gha pe Ri ki matra Gri and Ta. Grit. Grit means ghee. घृत means घी, नेई. व री की मात्रा half the and the. वृद्ध. Okay, the is half letter here because down slash is there, so we have to pronounce little fast. व री की मात्रा half the and the. वृद्ध. वृद्ध means old man. वृद्ध means old man like a tata. त री की मात्रा ण. तृण. तृण means grass. तृण means grass. द री की मात्रा half sh and y. दृश्य. दृश्य means sight. दृश्य means sight. Means if you go to hill station, a good sight will be there. On beach, good scenery is there. So that is scenery on sight. ह री की मात्रा द य. ह पे री की मात्रा री द य. हृदय. हृदय means heart. हृदय means heart. And this is your today assignment, children. Read and write page number 56 word meaning. Read and write page number 56 word meaning. Complete page number 57, 58 in the book. Okay. So page number 57, 58 in the book. You have to complete your book exercise and read and write page number 56 word meaning. And with that, this part also with word meaning you have to write. Okay, page number 56 word meaning and this part what I री की मात्रा I taught you, both you have to write in your homework notebook or class work. Okay children. Okay children, now we will read री की मात्रा in your book page number 60. Page number 60 री की मात्रा, one small poem is there. I will read for you and I will translate for you. With me, you read also. Okay, do proper pronunciation and listen carefully. Re, this is your re letter. Okay, this is your re letter. Ta and ta pe chota o ki matra. Tu. Ritu. Ritu means season. Ritu means season. Okay, all you know how many seasons are there? Winter season, summer season, autumn, spring. Okay, rainy season, lot of season is there na, so that is season. It will change. Summer season it will be too much hot, rainy season too much rain, winter season it will be very cold, autumn season no cold, no summer. Okay, climate will be very good. Okay, that time all old leaf will fall. Okay, and new leaf will come. Spring season, new leaf will come, all trees flower will come, everybody everywhere nature will be so beautiful and colorful. Okay, winter season too much cold will be there, right children? So ritu means season, season. I will read for you. Ritu badli. Okay, badli means change. Badli means change. So climate has changed, our season has changed, season has changed. Badli means change, ritu means season. So ritu badli, season has changed, season has changed. Garmi ki ritu hui vida. Garmi means summer season. Garmi ki ritu, summer season. Hui vida means gone, goodbye. Okay, so summer season told goodbye. Okay, goodbye. Summer season told goodbye. Garmi means summer. Ritu badli, garmi ki ritu hui vida. Umad, umad. Ai. Barakha, barkha. Bahar, bahar. Umad ai, barkha, bahar. Means rainy season has started. Barkha means rainy season. Okay, umad ai means it has too much come. See in the picture it's raining also. Umad ai, barkha, bahar means after summer season rainy season is come, so rainy season has start. नृत्य कर उठी सारी सृष्टि सारी. Nritya means dance. See here. And na down like a C letter is there. Means this is Ri ki matra. So and na if Ri ki matra is there, pronunciation will be Nri. Half the ya. Nritya. Kar uthi. Nritya means dance. Again, sa is there. In sa, Ri ki matra is there. So pronunciation will be Sri. Half षटकोण sa and ta छोटी की मात्रा is there. सृष्टि. नृत्य कर उठी सृष्टि सारी. When it will rain, what will happen? All people will be happy. Peacock will start to dance. Children also are happy and they will dance also. Okay, in happiness they want to play in rain. So सृष्टि means whole universe, world start to dance. न पे री की मात्रा अगेन सी. नृ प नृप. म पे री की मात्रा मृ ग मृग. त पे री की मात्रा तृण तृण. और सी औ एंड र और. व पे री की मात्रा व्री एंड छ वृक्ष. सभी. नृप मृग तृण और वृक्ष सभी. ऋषभ. कृषक. क पे री की मात्रा क्री श क कृषक. भी हुए. ह पे छोटा उ की मात्रा हु. ए हुए. स पे छोटा उ की मात्रा सु. ख पे बड़ी की मात्रा खी सुखी. सो नृप मृग तृण और वृक्ष सभी. ऋषभ कृषक भी हुए सुखी. नृप मीन्स किंग. मृग मीन्स deer. तृण मीन्स grass. वृक्ष means tree. Rishabh means bull. Krishak means farmer. So this all people, when rain has come, all become too much happy. बदला. बदला. दृश्य. द पे री की मात्रा द्री. हाफ श य दृश्य. क पे री की मात्रा क्री. श पे छोटी की मात्रा सी कृषि का सारा. सा पे आ की मात्रा र पे आ की मात्रा. बदला दृश्य कृषि का सारा. When it will rain, what will happen in agriculture? Everything will be green green. Okay, everything will be green green ना. So बदला दृश्य कृषि का सारा. ऋतु ने बदल. द पे छोटी की मात्रा दी. य पे आ की मात्रा या दिया. न जा रा नजारा. ऋतु ने बदल दिया नजारा. So season has changed fully. See, in summer season it was too much hot. Suddenly rainy season has come. It's become chill. Everywhere greenery was there. Okay, so whole system has changed. Okay, whole scene is changed. Okay, now we will go for word meaning. सृष्टि. स पे री की मात्रा श्री. हाफ षटकोण स. ट पे छोटी की मात्रा टी. सृष्टि. सृष्टि मीन्स संसार. स पे अंक की मात्रा सन सा र. संसार मीन्स यूनिवर्स, वर्ल्ड. ओके, WORLD, वर्ल्ड आर यूनिवर्स. सो सृष्टि मीन्स यूनिवर्स. न पे री की मात्रा नृ एंड प नृप. नृप मीन्स राजा, किंग, KING किंग. व री की मात्रा व्री एंड छ वृक्ष. वृक्ष मीन्स पेड़, ट्री, TREE ट्री. कृषक कृषक. कृषक मीन्स किसान, फार्मर, FARMER farmer. Okay children, so this is your word meaning. Read and learn. Now we will read about seasons. ऋतुएं. ऋतु means season. ऋतुएं means seasons. SEASONS. Okay. First, पतझड़. 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 पतझड़ means autumn season. AUTUMN. Autumn. Autumn means पतझड़. बसंत. Basant. Basant means spring season. SPRING. Spring. Spring means Basant. Gri, half sa and ma. Grism. Grism means summer. SUMMER. Summer season. Grism. Varsha. Va, half ra, satkonsa sa a. Varsha. Varsha means monsoon or rainy season. Sheet or sardi. Sardi. Sheet or sardi means winter season. Okay, WINTER, winter season. Okay children, so today what we have learned? We have learned bada u ki matra and ri ki matra. I have given your assignment also. So you have to complete your assignment. Read and write page number 56 word meaning, and today what ri ki matra I taught you on board, that you have to write and complete page number 57 and 58 in your book. Okay children, so read proper, pronounce proper. Thank you children, have a good day.